Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Stock Price Predictions. If you would, hit that like and subscribe button, also hit the notification bell. I'm giving away a free PS5 to one of my lucky subscribers as soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe so you have a chance to be one of the lucky winners of winning a PS5. As soon as I get 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving one away. Alright, so in this video we have a lot to talk about. We're going to talk about the bottom. Are we at the bottom yet? Well, Bitcoin's been hanging around 19,000, 20,000 for about 2 weeks now. It actually went down to 19 and held for a few days. Now it's up to 20,000 and it's holding there for a few days. Why do we think that's the bottom? Well, because crypto was the last sector to fall. In order to find a bottom in a market crash, every sector has to fall. Okay, and crypto was the last sector to fall. Now we also have gas stocks falling. Okay, so they're finally falling. Those were the last two to finally fall. Gas stocks, crypto. Now, everything else has fallen. Large cap, mid cap, small cap, they've all fallen. Everyone thought that crypto was going to be a hedge against inflation in this crash. Well, nothing's a hedge against anything when the market crashes. Everything's going to fall in order to find a bottom. Crypto has finally done that. It finally got the bottom and it finally fell. So is this the bottom? Hopefully. You know, we've had all sectors fall in the stock market. Crypto was last, so hopefully this could be the bottom. Now, is this going to be a U-turn as far as the market turning around? Well, maybe. Housing interest rates are up. They're up over 6%, 6.5% for a 30-year mortgage, which is going to drive the prices of houses down. And that's what the Federal Reserve, Papa Powell, wants to do, is get the housing market down as well with everything. He wants prices all around and the country to go down. But the interest rates are over 6%, 6.5% on a 30-year loan. So we're on the start of a U-turn because the prices of houses are going to start coming down. Now, also here in Florida, gas prices are going down. Okay, last week they were at $4.89 a gallon for regular unleaded. Today we're at $4.59 a gallon for regular unleaded. Gas is dropping, which is good. That will cause the CPI report to come down and inflation to come down. The CPI report for what comes out in July for June, there's a good chance that inflation is going to start coming down. Okay, we did have an inverse and had it tick down a little bit in May and March, but for the May report, it went back up. So I believe that now with gas going down, houses are going down, and the CPI report should be good. Gas affects everything as far as freight, manufacturing, all kinds of things. So if we can get gas to come down, then that's going to drive a lot of prices down, and as far as other things as well, which will drive inflation down. When inflation goes down, the market's going to reverse. That's all we're waiting on. So I do see signs of that starting to happen in the next CPI report that comes out in July for the month of June. Now, the housing market has fallen 20% in May. 20% less houses are actually selling. So that goes with the housing market as far as prices, which will come down and which will be good for inflation. Now, when we get this turnaround in the market and we go from a bear market to a bull market, you don't want to miss that because those days when it turns around and those weeks are huge. So you want to make sure you are in the market when it turns around. Let me know what stocks you guys are holding right now. The number one stock that retail investors are holding right now is Amazon. Amazon is the most popular stock for retail investors. The second most popular stock is TQQQ. It trades on a 3x moving average of the QQQ, which is the NASDAQ. Okay, Apple was second, but now Apple's third. Apple's the third most popular stock for retail investors. Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what your favorite stock is, favorite two stocks are to hold right now. Also, another thing that's interesting is Nancy Pelosi, she bought $1 million call in Apple. She also bought $1 million call in Microsoft. So does she know something we don't know? Why is she buying this? Does she know that the market's about to turn around? Maybe. So let's see what happens. Hope you guys like this video. Hit that subscribe button for your chance to win a PS5 once I get to 1,000 subscribers. And be ready for the next video. See y'all on the next one.